thank you so much for joining me. If you tend to feel overwhelmed and maybe even exhausted and burnt out, then you're in the right space. This practice will act as a reboot for your nervous system. And in contrast to other strategies like scrolling on social media, eating, or binge watching TV, Yoga Nidra truly recharges your batteries and thus promotes your health and well-being on all levels, the physical, spiritual, and emotional. So I would say let's make yourself cozy and comfy before we start, so you can ensure that your body is warm and supported. Make sure that your phone is in do not disturb mode so that your notifications are turned off so you won't be interrupted. And maybe you would also like to grab some headphones and some props like blankets and pillows to ensure that your body is warm and can completely relax. So make some last adjustments and then try to find complete stillness within your body. But if that's not possible and you feel the need to move at some point, know that this is fine too. And if it feels safe to you now, you can close down your eyes and start tensing your whole body. Maybe you will make funny facial expression, tensing your arms, your hands, maybe making fists, your core, your legs, and your feet, tensing, and then release. Let go. Relax and feel how your body is melting into the mattress held by Mother Earth. And with your next inhale, start counting your breath and try to make the exhalation a little bit longer than the inhalation. For example, if you inhale to the count of 4, then you might want to exhale for a count of 5 or 6, whatever feels best for you. Just try this a couple of times in your own pace. And then return to your natural breath without trying to change it. Just allow the air to flow into your lungs and then leave your body again very naturally and effortlessly. And let's set an intention or Sankalpa for today's practice and repeat it 3 times. You can either use your own or maybe the following: I surrender and find peace within my body and this moment. Or you might just want to use the word Shanti, which means peace. Just choose an intention that resonates most with you and repeat it 3 times. And now we will rotate our awareness throughout the body. You'll allow it to flow from one point to the other, flowing through the body like a stream of water, starting with the throat, jaw, tongue, teeth, inside the cheeks, lower lip, upper lip, right nostril and left nostril, and the whole nose, right ear, inner ear, and outer ear, listening, left ear, inner ear, also listening, the right eye, eyebrow, temple, cheekbone, left eye, eyebrow, temple, the mind's eye between your eyebrows, crown, back of the head, the heart center, right shoulder, upper arm, elbow, forearm, wrist, and all 5 fingers, the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Back to your shoulder, base of the throat, left shoulder, upper arm, elbow, forearm, wrist, and all 5 fingers of the left hand, the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Back to the shoulder, the heart center, shoulder blades, the whole back, belly, navel, right hip, thigh, knee, lower leg, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, and top of the foot, and the whole right leg, left hip, thigh, knee, lower leg, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, and the whole left leg, tailbone, spine, and the whole left side of your body, the whole left side, And then the whole right side of your body, the whole right side. And now the whole body. The whole body is a unified field of sensations, radiant and alive. The whole body breathing itself, billions of cells keeping you alive and allowing you to thrive. Just witness the natural flow of air in your body, air moving in and out, welcoming the mantra so hum as you continue to allow life force energy to flow in and out of your body very naturally and effortlessly. So hum translates roughly to I am. So with your next inhalation, you might mentally whisper so, and with the next exhalation, hum. Inhaling so, exhaling hum in your own pace. And if your mind drifts away, just return to the mantra so hum and allow it to bring you back to your breath, into this moment. And now let go of the mantra and allow your mind to wander back to a time or place where you felt completely relaxed and at peace. Maybe in nature, when you were walking barefoot on the sand or grass. Maybe when you were feeling a gentle breeze on your skin. Or maybe when you were listening to your favorite music. Or immersing into an activity like yoga. Maybe you can find a memory of a moment where you felt truly at peace. This can also be something seemingly small, like cuddling your pet or watching the sunset. And as you relive this peaceful memory, you might notice some sensations in your body. And if nothing comes up, know that this is okay too. As you deepen the connection with yourself, you'll be able to access this whenever the timing is right. There's a natural intelligence in your body that you can trust. Now slowly let go of this peaceful moment. Allow it to fade away like clouds in the sky. And repeat your Sankalpa 3 times. I surrender and find peace within my body and this moment. And then slowly start to become aware of your breath again. Air flowing in and out. And as you're breathing, your chest is moving up and down. Become aware of the body touching the ground. Maybe you want to wiggle your toes or fingers to slowly reawaken your body. You might want to turn over to one side and rest a little longer there. Just take all the time you need. And know that you can come back to this practice whenever you feel overwhelmed and crave rest. And you can always revisit this peace bubble that we just created. So take your time to come back to your body at this moment. You can open your eyes whenever you feel ready and thank yourself for taking this time to embark on this journey from overwhelm to peace. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this practice. Thank you so much for joining, and don't forget to take a moment to thank yourself for showing up, and maybe you would also like to share this with a friend or loved one who could benefit from this practice as much as you do. My name is Jenni, and I'm living and teaching mindfulness. If you're curious about my offers, I will link my website and contact form in the description under this video. And I would also love to hear from you in the comments. How are you feeling after this practice? Is there anything you would like to see in the future? Just let me know what you need and what would help you the most. I always love connecting with you guys, so please don't be shy, and I'm sending you lots of love and peace from Greece. See you very soon, Jenni.